Welcome! If you've been wondering how to turn on notifications for notes on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. Instagram keeps updating its features, and sometimes settings get moved around, which can make things a bit confusing. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step so you can stay updated with your friends' notes in no time. First, open Instagram on your web browser. Go to Instagram.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your home feed, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open up the menu. From that menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all kinds of options for your account. Next, find and click on Notifications. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see several categories. What you want to do here is click on Push Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you control which alerts you receive. Now scroll through the list until you find Notes. Once you see it, you'll notice options to control how you receive notifications. Simply select On under